With facial blushing, as we've discussed, the success rate's about 90% for the 18 to 30-year-olds, and then it drops off. So what those patients do when they've had an operation and find there's no effect, well, sadly, they're back to trying medication or learning to accept it, because repeating the operation is not an issue if it's done by an experienced surgeon. It will have worked or not worked. He hasn't done the wrong thing. With Palmer sweating, the success rate is so high, 99.8%, that the 0.02% is usually inadequate surgery, and I've not had a failure with hand sweating. So we're not talking about failure rates for that. The operation is not really indicated for armpit sweating, because Botox is so much easier and so much safer and quicker. So out of those three, it's really the blushing one where people can get a bit of get a bit depressed, in fact, because they've gone down the whole gamut of treatments. They've tried the final one, and they're still blushing. And, they need reassurance, and it's very difficult because they feel, what do I do now? But I warn them about that at the beginning, and then say that, look, you may not get a good operation result. And there's a 10% failure rate, and this is the problems you may face. And you're going to have to learn that if you go down this route, you're going to have to accept that you may still be blushing, and at the moment, there's no other treatment.